Okay, Amar, tell me about how to stop an asteroid from hitting the Earth.
Well thought out question, Laura. Right. How to stop an asteroid from hitting the Earth. One of my favourite ways that I've heard of is by using something called a gravity tractor. And the way that would work is I'm going to redraw the picture for no reason. You've got an asteroid, it's going to go like this. That's its trajectory without the wobble in it.
Mm-hmm.
To get it to not hit the Earth, because it's so far away, you only need to knock it off by a tiny bit. And it will completely miss. There's not much there.
Mm-hmm.
It's only a tiny angle change. One of the ways you can do this is with the gravity tractor, which is much less complicated than it sounds. Basically, all it is you've got the asteroid here, you fly a spaceship out next to it. That's the spaceship. It's a square, it's a rectangular spaceship.
Yeah.
Everything has gravity. So, as this asteroid, which is bigger than this ship, pulls the ship to the asteroid, the ship will also be pulling the asteroid to the ship, but not by very much.
Right.
So, what they will do, they haven't done it before, is they would attach a little...
How do they know it works if they haven't done it before?
Because it works theoretically, because everything has gravity.
Theory, yeah. Whatever.
Laura arguing of science. They'd attach, they have a little thruster here, perpendicular to... well, I was laughing because I said dick. So every time, as this gets pulled down towards the asteroid, it will thrust back up again, away from the asteroid to keep itself just as far. So this doesn't get pulled to the asteroid because it's pushing back, but the asteroid gets pulled towards the gravity tractor.
It does make sense, you know.
So instead of going like this,
could you not fly
just a bit off orbit.
a rocket into it and push it off?
That's another way to do it that I was going to talk about another time.
Oops. Sorry.
We'll cut that out because you're a dick.
You're a dick.
You're a pervin dick.
You're a pervin dick.
So this pulls the asteroid just a little bit off course. Now you may be wondering, I'm sure you are wondering this, Laura.
Yeah.
I'm sure you're not wondering this, but what happens because you've got the sun, you've got the air, and then you've got this little asteroid.
Yes.
And it was going to hit. We've moved it, so now it's going to go there, and it's going to go round.
Ooh.
What if it hits us on the backswing?
Oh, why doesn't it just go off? Why doesn't it just go past us? Why does it come around? Is it a boomerang?
This is the sun.
Yeah.
It's got lots of gravity. So you know how we orbit the sun?
Yeah.
This would do the same thing because it gets trapped in the sun's massive gravity and get pulled back around.
Yes.
And it might, if we do it wrong, just smack us in the ass instead of hitting us in the face in the first place.
So then what? Do you have loads of tractors up there?
What they can do is they can, because they're quite good at calculating where things are, they can
Who's
calculate.
they?
They being scientists.
NASA.
Not just NASA. NASA people are. There's an engineer.
Sheldon Cooper.
He's not a real person.
Fuck you. He is.
So they can calculate it so it would go around, and they can calculate it so it would miss. They'd have to move it to a certain place. So either it would just go into the sun and then get obliterated, and then we can fly.
Okay.
Or they could spin it around so it would miss us. Or if they really wanted, they could make it hit another planet. Just
Ooh.
for shits and gigs.
Yeah.
So that, Laura, that is a gravity tractor.
Brilliant. Thanks, Emma.
You're welcome.
But you don't know until it happens, do you?
It absolutely would work.
Wow.
Everything,
you can't say 100%, could you, until it happens?
Everything else with gravity. If we were in space, hanging there, and we were like, I was here and you were here, over time we'd go towards each other.